So how do you look at your party scenario, position, and
But we will do very well. We will do very well in the next election.
how are you
Because
positioning
people
yourself?
are, started realizing that yes, BP is the party which they have to, support and come forward to see that we are there with more numbers.
How do you position yourself in the array
Sorry?
of so many political parties? How do you position now?
I always consider that we should be in the better position, and that will come only when the party as a whole work together and be ready to for the fight of this 2023 general election.
Do you feel UDP will be an alternative to TMC and NPP?
Uh, I don't know about that, but let's see. First of all, we would like to see that we have 30 plus. That is should always be the aim of any political party.
So what are the joinings who are joining you? How many are approaching you?
Well, talk is there, among with other MLAs, but however, we have not come to a conclusion and we have not decided anything else about that.
With this recent